Dark Knights from the golden era of Bollywood. Who's your favorite villain in Bollywood? In the world of Bollywood, heroes capture our hearts, but it's the villains who often steal the show. Today we are diving into the top 10 villains who have given us chills and thrills. Buckle up as we explore the dark side of Bollywood. Starting our list at number 10 is the man with the wicked smirk, Shakti Kapoor.
बाहर निकल! अरे क्या बात है मुस्तफा? साला हिंदू मुस्लिम फसाद हुआ नहीं और तू नाना की तरह चिल्ला क्यों रहा है?
मुस्तफा भाई बोलते हुए शर्म आती है क्या?
Known for his role in Raja Babu as the comically evil Nandu, his performance often stole the show with humor and villainy. What's your favorite Shakti Kapoor moment? Let us know in the comments. At number 9, Danny Denzongpa, the suave villain with a voice that commands attention.
एक बात याद रखना विजय चौहान, मेरा रास्ता काटने की कोशिश मत करना, समझा? अपना उसूल कहता है, हर गलती की सजा मौत है, सिर्फ मौत.
His portrayal of Kancha Cheena in Agnipath was so powerful that it often overshadowed the lead actor of the film.
कुछ ऐसी बातें बताऊंगा जो आज तक तुमने न देखी होंगी और न सुनी.
8th place goes to Shakal, the mastermind with a penchant for sharks and high-tech layers in Shan. His chilling strategies and cold demeanor made him a villain to remember. Was he the ultimate strategist? Comment below.
अजीब जानवर है, कितना भी खाए भूखा ही रहता है.
इस माल का सौदा तो सेठ सुलेमान के साथ हो गया था, इसका सौदा किसके साथ होगा?
Number 7 is none other than Prem Chopra, whose chilling performance in Bobby as the deceptive villain made a lasting impression, often eclipsing the lead roles.
साबा गांव के सरपंच माखन चौधरी के लगाए हुए जख्म अभी तक हमारे सीने में सुलग रहे हैं.
तूने मेरे सामने सर उठाने की जुर्रत की?
At number 6, we have Anupam Kher, who portrayed the villainous character of Dr. Dang in the movie Karma.
डॉक्टर डैंग को आज पहली बार किसी ने थप्पड़ मारा है.
Dr. Dang was a notorious antagonist, and Kher's portrayal of this negative role was notable, showcasing his versatility as an actor. Opposite Sri Devi in the movie Chandni, he portrayed a negative character, providing a contrast to Sri Devi's timid role. Halfway through at number 5, Ranjit, whose portrayal of a lecherous villain in numerous films, particularly Amar Akbar Anthony, showcased a performance that often outshone the heroes.
जब तक सारी जायदाद तुम्हारे नाम नहीं हो जाती और बैंक के 1 करोड़ रुपए तुम्हारे नाम ट्रांसफर नहीं हो जाते, तब तक
शेर को तो खुराक चाहिए.
Coming in at number 4, Gulshan Grover, aka Badman.
प्रताप सिंह, केसरिया पिलाती, very bad man.
His iconic role in Ram Lakhan as Kesariya Vilaiti Badman remains unforgettable, providing a counterweight to film's protagonists.
अरे हम गौरी शंकर, हम इलेक्शन जीतने में इंटरेस्टेड नहीं लगता हमको.
बादशाह ने सारी रकम लेकर हमसे रिश्ता तोड़ दिया.
The bronze goes to Ashutosh Rana, whose terrifying performance in Dushman as a cold-blooded psychopath was so impactful that it often overshadowed the lead actors. Just to leave you with a question, do you remember the hero in this movie? Comment below.
कुछ अगर इसी तरह चलता रहा तो वो दिन दूर नहीं जब मोगेम्बो का ख्वाब सच्चा हो जाएगा.
Holding the number 2 spot is the formidable Amrish Puri, whose portrayal of Mogambo in Mr. India was not only iconic but also towering, often stealing the spotlight throughout the film. His line Mogambo Khush Hua has become etched in Bollywood history.
खुश हुआ।
emblematic of villainy itself. Amrish Puri's irreplaceable performances extended to other remarkable roles as well. As Barrister Indrajit Chadda in Damini, he delivered a masterful performance as a corrupt lawyer, leaving a lasting impact in this critically acclaimed drama. Meanwhile, in Karan Arjun, his role as the ruthless Thakur Durjan Singh was central to the film's gripping revenge narrative, showcasing his versatility and his dominant screen presence. Each role not only highlighted his exceptional acting skills, but also solidified his legacy as one of Bollywood's greatest villains.
कितने आदमी थे? सरदार, 2 आदमी थे। अरे ओ सांभा, कितना इनाम रखे हैं सरकार हम पर?
At the pinnacle of Bollywood villainy stands the legendary Amjad Khan as Gabbar Singh in Sholay. A role so iconic, it set the gold standard for cinematic antagonists. But Amjad's brilliance didn't stop there. He played a corrupt Vijay Singh in Desh Premi and the formidable Thakur Singh in Lavaris. He showcased his versatile villainy. His menacing presence as Shambhu in Kalia opposite Amitabh Bachchan further cemented his status as a legendary villain. Gabbar Singh's chilling lines and ruthless charisma in Sholay makes it impossible to imagine the film without him. Which movie of Amjad Khan makes him the top Bollywood villain? Share your thoughts. These titans of terror have not only defined a genre but have set the gold standard for cinematic villainy. If you loved this journey through the dark side of Bollywood, hit like, share and ring the bell for more. Next up, discover the new generation of villains who are reshaping Bollywood's landscape. Stay tuned.